Hello, we are Claudia and Maria, and we're going to do a shopping video. It's 10 in the morning, and we're going to enter to El Corte Inglés. Well, we are in the 6th floor,
And we're going to show you some books that we like, and yes.
and it's funny because 10 in the morning, Corte Inglés is putting a song
Of The Little Mermaid
library
part.
part.
Yes.
And Maria is trying to decide what book
She's going to buy.
Yes. And we are in a little trouble because she doesn't know.
Yes, we're going to show you what I'm going to buy. Yes.
Later.
Sí.
Okay. So we didn't buy anything
Because the books that we want,
we want to buy.
yes.
They didn't have anyone, so we're going to go
To Pull&Bear,
Yes.
and we show you what clothes they
Yes.
have.
to find a look for clothes.
Yes.
We're going to enter in Pull&Bear
Yes.
and we're going to look for clothes.
Yes.
It's 11 o'clock, well, o'clock no, but
Yes, something like
11:20. We tried some clothes in Pull&Bear.
Yes.
Maria liked a t-shirt and she bought it. And I didn't like anything. Well, yes, but I didn't buy anything, so
Yes.
nothing more.
But now we're going to go to Rambla, and Claudia is going to buy something because I say it. So, so she's going to buy something.
We are
In Rambla?
in La Rambla. There's a wedding there,
Yes.
and there's a lot of people. It's 11:30. No,
I don't know. Yes, half past 11.
11:30. And we're going to some shops like Bershka, Stradivarius, or something like that
And now we're going to show you what we're going
to buy or look. Okay, so we
We have just get out from Bershka, and now we're going to go to.
I bought a t-shirt.
And now we're going to go to Woman's Secret.
So we just left.
Yes, Woman's
Left
Secret.
Woman's Secret.
But we didn't find anything because we like more winter pajamas
Yes.
that are like soft, and now it's coming summer, so
And now we're going to Stradivarius.
yes.
So we just bought ice cream,
Pero que no menjas.
an ice cream, an ice cream, and now we're going to La Llar del Llibre to buy the book that Maria wants. We never find.
Yes.
We didn't find anything in Stradivarius, and now we're going to
To La Llar del
La Llar
Llibre.
del Llibre to find the book that Maria wanted and
And-
try to choose what book.
Yes. We find Shadow Hunters 2, that was the book that I want to buy, and now we're going to go to, no, I don't know.
We don't know. I bought this t-shirt like this, and it's basic, you know. Maria has bought this t-shirt and book.
So cool.